Hello guys, for today's dinner, let's cook shrimp with glass noodles. Try nyo din po to guys, masarap po to. First, mag-boil po tayo ng water, and then ilagay po natin sa glass noodles. Soak lang natin in 5 minutes. After po natin i-drain, binilog-bilog ko lang po siya gamit yung kamay ko. Tapos, yung shrimp, ginawa ko lang siyang shape na butterfly. After po natin magawa ng ganyan, gumawa po tayo ng sauce. Yung spring onion, chili, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and then white pepper. After po nyan, mix lang. And then mag-init po tayo ng mantika. Dapat yung mainit na mainit po. After that, ilagay natin doon sa sauce. Mix lang po, and then ilagay natin sa may shrimp and glass noodles. After that, steam na po natin for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes ng steam, mag-init po ulit tayo ng mantika at ilagay natin ulit doon sa ating in-steam na shrimp with glass noodles. Okay na po yan. Thank you for watching. Bye!